Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how different fabrics behave. When I say behave, I mean how they move, how they hang, how they drape. The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. Roll it. This is chiffon. Chiffon is a very lightweight, see-through, super lightweight fabric. And as you can see, it moves really nicely. Look how it drapes really well. Very soft, very liquid-like, right? It hangs in a very vertical shape, very vertical silhouette. It doesn't stand out, as we will see later on, with other fabrics like, say, for example, taffeta, right? Will give you a whole different silhouette. This is chiffon, very fluid, flowing fabric. Chiffon. Okay, here we have a similar design as the previous one in the chiffon. Similar meaning that there's no seams, there's no princess seams, there's no pockets, just piece of fabric with some gathers, sure, at the waistline. But look at the difference in the silhouette, in the shape of this skirt versus the chiffon skirt. This almost has an A-line shape to it. Why? Because this fabric is canvas. Canvas, poplin, taffeta. They have a certain strength to it, a certain stiffness to it. Here's a piece of this fabric right here. And first of all, it's woven and it's really hard, right? So it retains the shape. See, it really comes down to this. It comes down to what is your design? What are you trying to achieve as far as silhouette? What shape are you trying to achieve? And what fabric will give you that silhouette, that shape, right? That's how you should approach designing. Some designers will find the fabric first and then create from there. But some designers will sketch first, right? And then find the fabric to achieve that design. If that's the case, right? When you're designing and you're sketching, think what fabric would give me this shape, this design, this silhouette, and then go find that fabric, okay? And this is organza. Look how shiny it is. It's beautiful fabric. Organza, satin, they have a beautiful shine to it. Great draping quality. It drapes really well. There's a lot you can do with it. You see a lot of wedding dresses where they use organza and satin fabrics. It's a beautiful, luxurious draping fabric. And this is felt. Felt is not a woven fabric. It's not a knitted fabric. It's a non-woven. It doesn't fray. See that? Felt is pressed and compressed fibers together to create this effect. And look what you can do with this kind of fabric. Look at the shapes that you can create, right? Just from putting some gathers into the waistline, you can create some beautiful cascades and a scarf. This is jersey. It's a knit fabric, so it stretches. This particular piece is nylon and spandex, so it has a lot of elasticity. The thing with knit fabrics, the beauty with knits, is that you can design an outfit. You can create a design without any seams or any darts. Why? Because it stretches, right? You would put some side seams, but it's very easy to create something really simple and beautiful. You can have a little elastic piece or some kind of a button or some closure right there, right? You can do one shoulder dresses with it, right? You can do cowl necklines, So get some fabric, start getting creative, have fun doing it. Draping with fabric is such an amazing vehicle to create new ideas, new designs. Use it. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.